Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the artificial intelligence because artificial intelligence playing a major roles at present situations, specifically in the industry as well as in the academia everywhere. So what is artificial intelligence? The power of a machine to copy intelligent human behavior, right? So when we focus on the industry, we find that there are many AI and AI improvement happening in the industry. And with these points, we find the many of our job actually done by the AI, and AI actually playing a major roles in the development of the economy. Even in this COVID-19 situations, many job actually take by AI. So we have to aware about the AI and AI contributions in the economy. Robots at Artemis. So if you focus on the robotic engineering, are they really intelligence? We find that based on the data and informations, they are taking a lot of initiative and they are doing a lot of work. A robot is only as smart as its initial program. The power of a machine to copy and learn from the intelligence human behavior. Artificial intelligence versus robot. So if we focus on the AI, there is a difference between robot and AI. So what is AI? AI basically we programmed to think and robot programmed to do. So AI can think many things. On the other hand, robot can do many things. Social interactions. AI can interact with the socials, with their emotional intelligence, with ET, with their different kind of activities. And robot has lower level interactions. Society, social issues, they cannot interact much. AI can learn many things. On the other hand, robot only as smart as program. So if we understand the artificial intelligence, we can understand many interesting point of views. What is artificial intelligence test? Developed by Alan Turing's, involve an interpretations human and a computers. In a computers, many of our activities actually run by the robots. In a human, then interpretation. The computer and human has separate conversation with the interpreter. If the interpreter cannot guess which is the computer, or if the interpreter get it wrong, then the computer has artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence helps to analyze, helps to think, and helps to involve with this with others. Artificial intelligence test. So we have lot of limitations, especially limitations of games involved with two different tastes. First test involve as a interpreters, a male or female. Female pattern to be males. Interpret tries to figure out who is who. Second test is similar to turning test. Compare both tests. So if you focus on the testing the artificial intelligence, we can find turnitin test limitation games. Turning test the computer result to itself and not to humans. And limitations game compares the robot result to human result. Example, clever boards, drones, autonomous cars, Watsons. These are the example of AI. So clever boards, drones, autonomous cars, and Watsons. In every aspect, AI can play a many important things. So although AI is advancing, it can still be problematic. You are mistake, which is odd since memory should be a problem for you. AI controversy. There are many controversy about AI. Potential job takeover, growing laziness, growing cost, prior arguments, robot relationship. There are many things. So what is matters? In the future, AI is going to be everywhere. It is important to know about it and understand it. This is because we may be interacting with it on a day-to-day basis. We learn at our Artemis about in different robots that use AI. We also learn when robots need AI and when they did not. So this is some of the interesting aspects we can discuss about AIs, and we can discuss about AI related things. So if we focus on the present conditions of AI, especially AI in year 2022, what we can observe from the market, what we can understands, there are 10 different trends we want to share with our audience, which may help them to understand about AI and AI related factors. Because if we the more we can understand about AI, then we can understand about a different kind of industrial activities. So artificial intelligence has undoubtedly been the technology story of 2010s, and it looks like the extreme in using to wear off as a new decades down. The past decade will be remembered as the time when machine that can truly uh, be true of as intelligence, as incapable of thinking, learning, we do start to become a reality outside of the science fictions. There are 10 different things we can know about AI. AI will win increasingly by monitoring and refining business process, while the first robot in the workplace were merely involved with automating manual tasks such as manufacturing production line. Today, software-based robots will take on the repeatedly but necessary work that we carry out on computers. More and more personalized will take place in real times. This trend is driven by the success of internet gains like Amazon, Alibaba, Google, their ability to deliver personalized experience and recommendations. AI become increasingly useful as data become more accurate and available. The quality of information available is often a barrier to business and organization wanting to move towards AI driven automated decisions making. More devices will run AI powered technology. As the hardware and expertise needed to deploy, AI become cheaper and more available. Human and AI cooperation increases. More and more of us will get used to the idea of working alongside AI powered tools and both in our day-to-day working lives. AI increasingly at the edge. So much of the AI we're used to interacting with now in our day-to-day lives take place in the cloud. When we search on Google or flicked through recommendation of the net on Netflix, AI increasingly used to create films, music, and games. Sometimes even in 2020, are probably still best left to humans. Anyone who has seen the current state of the art of AI generate music, poetry, and storytelling is likely to agree that the most sophisticated machine still have some way to fulfill the requirements. AI will become very presented in the cybersecurity. In the cybersecurity zones, AI can make a many important roles in the present situation, especially the 5G. When we move with the 5G, AI is a very important. More of us will interact with AI maybe without even knowing it, and but AI will recognize us even we do not recognize it. So perhaps every more unsettlingly, the rollout of facial recognition technology is only likely to intensively as we move the next decade. So present in 21st century, AI playing a major role. AI have lot of challenges. AI have different kind of challenges. So we have to interact with the AI. The more we can interact with AI, we can understand more. The more we can interact with the AI, our work efficiency and everything grow. So for that particular issues, we need to be understand and we need to be focused about different initiative of AI, specifically 21st century. That's all for today's about AI. So if you have any kind of informations you want to share with us about AI, even how we can do research on AI and like human resources, this is also important and we can do research on that points. So if you have any kind of intentions, you can communicate with us. Thank you.